Oh my God, something's happening. Look at this, setting up your hardware. It is actually installing on my Mac. Look, this is actually a Mac machine. I'm not lying to you. Look, there's Safari. See, this is about my Mac. It is actually a Mac machine. And yet, we are running Windows 95. Oh my God, look at this. We've got a kind of a montage, artistic, of CD-ROMs. We got LAN connections. We got a giant fancy looking keyboard and a mouse. Very cool. Very cool. And we got the classic hourglass progress indicator here. Who else likes to jiggle their mouse? I don't know if you do it these days, but we used to do that all the time back in the day. You jiggle your mouse, you click randomly, because you felt that doing that actually made the install or the install process complete quicker, or the software open quicker, the window update quicker. Like by jiggling your mouse, that was like, oh my God, something's gonna happen faster. Okay, all right, that looks good. Tijuana. Okay, we're in Tijuana, but it wouldn't accept Tijuana. It wants me to be in Arizona, so we'll accept. There we go. Date and time sounds good enough to me. Okay, let's print. Alrighty. Okay, let's go with the Apple LaserWriter. Maybe we'll go the Apple LaserWriter 2. Oh, come on. Let's go the Plus. Let's go the Apple LaserWriter. Oh, there's a Pro. A Pro with a big number? Okay, let's go the Pro. Okay. Yeah, let's print that test page. psmon testps.txt. A test page is now being sent to the printer. To be honest, there's no printer in this room, but I'm going to say yes, it did print correctly. Setup is finished. Okay, let's restart. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Starting Windows 95. How cool is that? Running on a Mac. You can see the strange DOSBox log and output here. I don't know what it's doing, but oh, something's happening. Startup chime. Look at that. You know what? I think we could do with some graphics, or maybe a little bit bigger. How about that? And maybe let me try a bit of 16-bit color. Give this a shot. I mean, isn't this amazing? We're detecting hardware. That's it. The NE2000 compatible. It's a networking card. Why don't we go on a little rabbit hole to discover, while this installs, what this is actually about? Like ring buffers. Whoa, there we go. 16-bit ISA Ethernet card from Novell that became a de facto standard in the late 1980s and 90s. Wow, so old. Using American technology. Love it. National Semiconductor. Look at that beautiful thing. So somehow that crazy thing is emulated in DOSBox. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Now, let's make sure we can set this up right. So we go to System, right? Because we want to configure, I think. Make sure it's okay. Network adapters. Look at that. Look at that. Check the properties. Okay. Looks reasonable. Looks all right. All right. Now, we want to go to Internet something. We want to set up the internet settings. Internet. There we go. Here, you focused on connection. I guess so. No, that's not right. Okay, maybe that's not right. Navigation. I think we actually need to run through the Internet Explorer. Oh my God, did I download a Windows 95 without Internet Explorer in it? I think I might have. Want to use a local area network. Here we go. Oh no. I don't want to. Here's Internet Explorer. Yes, okay. But we actually need to set up now. This is a really early Internet Explorer. Wow. IE3. This was a really old one that we set up here. Connection. None of this is correct. What we actually want is we want to connect through a LAN. Maybe. Okay, yes, that's what we want. That's what we want. This is what we want. Look at this. Look at this. This is what we want. We want our DNS. Enable the DNS. Let's add some common. We got to give ourselves a name. Let's add some common DNS people on here. What is going on there? Jesus. That's Cloudflare and Google. Thank you, benevolent Cloudflare and Google. Okay, advanced NetBIOS, bindings, DNS, gateway, wins, IP address. Yes. Okay. All of this is good. Okay. Okay. This is what we want. Yes. Let's restart now. That's what you need to do. You need to go to network after you've installed that hardware and you need to set up that configuration, you need to enable DNS and add some DNS resolvers.